trend zone. Just when everyone thought Apple was completely done with titanium, a brand new leak may have changed everything. According to recent supply chain reports, Apple is reportedly working on a next-generation titanium alloy for the future iPhone 18 Pro Max. And honestly, this could become one of the biggest material upgrades in iPhone history. Now this is interesting because only a few months ago, multiple reports claimed Apple was planning to move away from titanium and return to aluminum for future iPhones. Many people believe titanium was just a short experiment that didn't fully work out. Users complained about heat management, durability after drops, and even scratching issues around the finish. So naturally, everyone assumed Apple was ready to abandon the material completely. But according to new insider leaks, Apple may not be giving up on titanium at all. Instead, the company is apparently redesigning it from the ground up. The goal is simple but extremely difficult to achieve. Apple wants to keep the premium feel and strength of titanium while fixing the thermal problems that caused criticism in previous generations. And honestly, that makes a lot of sense. Future iPhones are becoming incredibly powerful. We're talking about advanced AI features, console-level gaming, heavy multitasking, and next-generation chips that generate serious heat. Cooling is quickly becoming one of Apple's biggest engineering challenges. Aluminum is great for heat dissipation, but it doesn't feel as premium or durable as titanium. So instead of choosing one over the other, Apple may be trying to create the best combination of both worlds. And here's where things get even crazier. Reports also suggest Apple is continuing development of liquid metal technology, sometimes called metallic glass. This futuristic material is incredibly strong, lightweight, and resistant to scratches and corrosion. What's shocking is that Apple has reportedly held liquid metal patents for years, but we've never really seen the technology fully appear in a major iPhone design. That could finally change in the next few years. Industry insiders believe Apple may first introduce smaller liquid metal components in foldable devices before eventually expanding the technology into mainstream iPhones like the iPhone 18 Pro Max. If that happens, future iPhones could become stronger, lighter, and better at handling heat without getting thicker or heavier. And honestly, this tells us something important about Apple's long-term strategy. The company isn't simply deciding between aluminum and titanium anymore. They are searching for entirely new materials capable of supporting the future of smartphone performance. With more powerful chips, advanced Apple Intelligence features, and AI constantly running in the background, thermal management is becoming more important than ever before. That's why this rumored next-generation titanium alloy could become a massive deal for the future of iPhone design. Of course, we should still take these leaks carefully because Apple never confirms unreleased products, and supply chain information can always change before launch. But if even half of these reports turn out to be true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become one of the most advanced smartphones Apple has ever created. So, what do you think about this leak? Would you prefer aluminum or titanium for your next smartphone, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your tech friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.